Hey, it's Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, also representing Get Pipe by Audiopipe, and we got another giveaway. Yes, another one. You know what? We're doing back-to-back giveaways from Audiopipe, and this one is this huge 10-inch mid-range. Now, these are sold singular, but we're going to be giving you a set of these big boys right here. They're $118 each, 500 watts RMS, 8 ohm, 3-inch voice coil. This could be crazy. So, this is just for you to enter. This is the video. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to hook it up. You're going to need to like, comment, and share that video, and like, comment, and share this video for the giveaway. And then we'll pick a winner, and we will announce it on the next giveaway. So don't worry about comments that you won or pay for the shipping. We'll never do that. We will always tell you in either one of our videos, lives, or podcasts. So it'll be a set of these. So that's what, $240 worth from Audiopipe. And all you gotta do is like, comment, and share. So two things, like, comment, and share this video. There'll be a link in the description for the unboxing and us hooking it up. You need to like, comment, and share that one, and that's it. And we'll pick a winner. So look for the unboxing so we can get into the specs of this thing, because let me tell you, sensitivity 95 dB, 500 watts, this thing's gonna scream. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing Audiopipe. Get Pipe by Audiopipe. See you on the next giveaway.